Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's November 30th, 10:49 in the morning. I'm in Gardena, California, watching this dirt bag spewing. Look at this. I'm so fed up with this. I saw a billboard a little while ago that said, has all these people wearing the muzzle and it says, "Mask up, California," like it's a good thing. Yeah, real good. Look at this. Damn, this is getting rough here, as usual. Leaving a film across the sky. It's not a real long one, but it's definitely going to leave a white haze as they pass each time. Come on, get up there. Trying to concentrate on staying with them. This is unbelievable. When you are awake and you're seeing stuff like that every day is a goddamn nightmare. It really is. You guys know that are awake. You know exactly what I'm saying here. And you people that are looking at your phones and wearing the muzzle and all that stuff, not paying attention, look up once in a while. How about that? You think they care? This is a war on your oxygen, folks. This is taking it away, and so is the muzzle, and so is the hand sanitizer, among other things, frequencies. I'm getting closer. I'm just afraid I'm going to lose them if I do. Look at this. All right, I think that's enough. You get the idea. Pricks.